on.
Del here, and what I have sitting in front of you is called a tom-tom, or a tom for short. Sometimes drum kits will have 2 or 3 of these, and sometimes only 1, sometimes 4. And this one is tuned nicely. This was given to me a while ago. And let's see, where's that other one right there? There. That's how drums are tuned. Usually have a drum key that fits a lot of the items on the hardware on the drum, and that's this. You tighten these things up if it needs it. This one was pretty much tuned when I got it, and here's a place where it affixes to the other hardware that stands on the floor, or sometime it'll come out of the top of the kick drum or what have you. And then the bottom of this drum, this is not a snare drum, it's the kick drum. The snare drum might have a chain across the bottom and a mechanical apparatus for tightening that chain called snare it up, and then loosening it up and so forth. And so let's see about this one. There. Yeah, this one was pretty well tuned. So that's the bottom of it. The top head and the bottom there. Well, here is the, I guess that's the brand name of it. I got one little dent in here, which I didn't put in. And so this, as drums go, and you can see the material on the inside. It's a pretty nice drum. And let's see. Triplets too well. Give me another shot at the triplet. Not perfect, but you get the idea. That's triplets. So this is our drum, and we're going to use it in another band situation. So that's why I took it out of storage. And there it is. And if you were to change a head, this is a rim here. These with the drum key, you would unfasten these holders here and take it off and clean the inside and everything, and then put the new head on and the rim and everything, and then tighten it up and then tune it. Like I say, it would all be adjusted so that. It's a little bit different there. Not perfect. Not too bad. So that's it. Not much to say about it. It goes as part of a kit. And it's a tom-tom. It might go boom, boom, boom like that. You're rolling, and it's a snare drum is a different type of drum. It's not as deep, and it makes more noise, and it's for a different purpose on the drum kit. And the kick drum is the big bass drum, and then you have your cymbals, your hi-hat, and so forth. So part of a drum kit. There it is.